In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to use graphics in Adobe Premiere Pro. First, I'm going to show you how to use rectangle and elliptical tool in Adobe Premiere Pro. To create those things, I'm going to create a new sequence first. I come to my Project Explorer. Here I'm going to create my new sequence. I'm going to give a name which is graphics. Now, I was using my DSLR. I'm going to use 30 frames instead of 25. I choose OK. So now I got my graphics sequence timeline here. You can see that. Now to add graphics in this, Adobe Premiere Pro, I'm going to choose this tab at the top, or I can come to this Windows menu. You can see we have a lot of different, panels here. Based on your need, you can choose which one you want. Now I'm going to use this option, which is graphics. You can also access the graphics with the help of this option, which is essential graphics. I click here and you can see I can able to load that particular tab here. So we got that graphics tab here. So with the help of this also you can able to add those things. Now I come to this place, my essential graphics. You can see we had two tabs here. We have browse as well as edit. Let us see about the browse tab later. Now I'm going to show you how to use this option, which is edit. When I choose edit, you can see we have only two icons here. We have a create new group, which is in a disabled mode now, and I have a new option, which is new layer. Now I click this new layer. When I click this new layer, you can see we have text, vertical text, rectangle and ellipse. So I'm going to use this rectangle now. I choose this rectangle. When I choose the rectangle, you can see I got a rectangle here and I got the rectangle properties at the bottom. So I come to this, my particular work area. In this program view, you can see we have the rectangle with the default dimension. I can able to do a transformations for this rectangle shape using this program screen itself. Now I come to this area. I'm going to use the corner points to increase, the width or height. I can able to use the midpoints to adjust the height as well as the width. You can see that. In the same way, I can come to this corner. When I reach that point, you can see I can able to turn that mouse icon into, dual arrow. So with the help of this option, I can able to rotate this particular shape. I just click and drag. You can able to see I can able to rotate that particular object, and here I have the center point. So with the help of this point, I can able to set where I need a center. See, I'm going to put the center position here, and after that I rotate here. I'm going to reduce the picture size and I'm going to rotate this. You can see how we can able to rotate that. In the same way, you can place the center point outside the object also, and I can able to adjust that particular transformation control like scaling as well as rotation. So you can do all those changes with the help of this this program view itself. Now I come to this timeline. You can see how we have that particular shape. I can able to have the effects option here, and we have the total duration of this object. You can see we have 4 seconds and 29 milliseconds. So this is how we have this object. And when I access this object from the timeline, you can see we have the essential graphics properties, we have transform and other options. You can see that. But if I choose the same rectangle in this program view, you can see we have more options here. So we are working like we are using some kind of software like PowerPoint or something else. So that's how this program window was working right now. Now after adding this rectangle, now I'm going to choose one more tool. I'm going to use this create new layer option, and here I'm going to use this ellipse. When I choose ellipse, here you can able to see I got ellipse, and I can able to add a different attributes for this. I can able to scale it, I can able to rotate it, and I can able to change the center point of this object also. You can see I can able to change the center point, like how I can able to change the center point for the rectangle. You can see that how I have the center point now. So in this way you can able to create the rectangle shape or square shape with the help of this tool, which is rectangle, and you can able to create circle or ellipse with the help of this tool, which is elliptical tool. These are the two options we have with this essential graphics. With the help of these objects we can able to add more elements and more interactive shapes for Premiere Pro clips.